The format for Fullsize Invasion 2021 left some down days in between the scheduled runs. I convinced the guys that we should head up into the LaSalle Mountains and check out some of the non-slick rock terrain in the area. Once we got off the highway, we ran into a fair amount of snow and mud on the trail. It wasn't exactly what we were expecting, but I thought it was a nice change of pace.
Well, we just finished airing down our tires out here, I'm guessing the LaSalle Mountains, because our fearless leader Josh got us stuck on our stupid adventure in the damn snow. So we are airing down and hoping that we don't all get stuck like he did a few weeks ago. Thanks, Josh.
Holy shit. Imagine that the first hit you get would be into my quarter panel. God damn. Of course, then I can make your insurance pay for all the other stuff, damage that's already there.
Yeah.
That seems fair.
Oh, that was close. That was like, oh shit.
So we got into some snow up here in the LaSalle Mountains above Moab, and we're turning around right now because we found a cool little mine we're going to explore. Sure is pretty up here. Look guys, I found some tracks.
Amber, did you hear that? Josh.
You think those are bear tracks?
Well, there's nothing on them, so yeah, I guess so.
They're bear tracks. All right. Where's the idiot? All right, Amber, come on.
Well, no, I'm not going ahead of you.
Yeah, just right in front of us.
No.
Come on.
No.
I'm shining the light.
No, I don't know what's over there.
It's for YouTube. We need the content. You go in front.
I have children.
Chick gets scared in cave. Did you hear that?
That's right. Man, it practically writes itself. Come on.
You guys are doing this
Come on.
purpose.
Well, yeah. Come on.
Ooh, see, this is why I'm wearing a coat.
Because it's a little chilly.
It's just slightly chilly. Is there something that's going to pop out at me first?
There's a piece of wood.
That's why Josh is...
Ryan's down there. He can't pop out at you.
Did you hire somebody to come up here?
Oh, yeah. Hey, person over here, actor. Can
Well,
you
it's
pop
for
out?
YouTube. Who knows? You might have.
We just found somebody sitting in a cave. Amber, go stand next to Josh. I'm going to interview you guys.
No.
I'm right here.
No, he's going to throw me back there.
I won't throw you back
Yes,
there.
you will.
I promise you want to be over there versus where you're standing.
Why? What do you guys know that I don't know?
This is an old mine. Amber, sweetie.
Don't.
Look at me. I need you to look at me.
No, look at Joy.
Amber, you were standing under a bat.
Oh my God! I knew I saw stuff.
Okay, Amber, we're not out of the woods yet. There's another cave next to this one that we have to explore now.
Were you guys already in that one too and saw something that's gonna scare the shit out of me? What are you guys doing? Oh, I don't like it.
You come running back.
Alright, let's go.
I have to go.
Should we wait after that?
We're rallying after this.
4 of them.
Oh, you're freaking me out.
Well, that was less eventful than I was expecting.
It didn't go nearly as far back as I thought.
Any little bat was supposed to...
If you're not afraid of them, touch them.
Bats don't freak me out that
Oh,
much.
really? Pretty cute.
It is cute. Oh, hey, fella.
He's probably like, fuck out of my cave.
Look at him taking a little nap. Just
I'm so tired.
sounds...
It's crazy going on.
I know.
Do bats hibernate?
I have no idea.
After we exited the cave, we explored around a little bit more before heading back towards Moab. We met up with Chris and spent the rest of the evening playing in the sand dunes south of town. Go to it. Well, we went out to play around in the sand dunes a little bit and realized very quickly that I had 3-wheel drive. So we're suspecting and actually confirming, I can see a crack right there. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. Right there. That is a crack. And presumably there's more. But I broke my hub. So we hightailed it back into town and luckily got to the parts store just before it closed. Got a new set of hubs here and we're going to change this hub out and hopefully still be able to go wheeling tomorrow.
Oh,
Wow,
God.
that is crunchy.
Oh, check that out.
I probably wouldn't have made it much longer.
This thing's probably getting close to breaking.
Good.
I knew I saw poop and stuff.
Oh, there's poop and stuff.
Poop and stuff?
Oh, look, that's dog poop, I think.
Wasn't Poop and Stuff the villain on Ghostbusters?
Let's go. Poop and stuff.
I'm going home.